Hi guys, it's me Swastik, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a custom help command. So let's start. The first thing that we have to do is remove the default help command. If you haven't seen the default help command, this is how it looks like. We can make a much better version of this, so we'll just remove it. To do it, it's simply client.remove command help. Okay, so let's make the command now. Ignore this decorator for now, I'll explain this later. We just make an async function, async def help, ctx, m equals discord.embed. The title is just help, and the description is use help, and the name of the command for extended information on that command. And the color is just the author's color. So for each category, we'll add a separate field with the name as the category's name and the value as the commands that we have for the category. So for the first field, we'll just add the name as moderation and the value as the commands that we have, like kick, ban, and warn. You could have many other commands, you could just add them here. And depending on the amount of categories you have, you can add more fields. I just have another field just for this, like fun. The name is just fun and the value is 8 ball in reverse. So you could have these commands. And finally, we send the embed. So how do we do this part here? How do we make it so that when the user actually types help and then the name of the command, they get the info for that command and not this command that we just wrote? To do that, we actually use command groups here. So the decorator will be client.group and invoke without command is true. This is basically saying that when we type help and then the name of the command, for example, kick, the bot won't send this part here. It will only send the info for the kick command. This is the client group and we have invoke without command equals true. So how do we make the subcommands now? It's simply just having the decorator as the name of the command that you just wrote. For example, here we have help. So at help.command and we write the name of the command. Whenever the user will type help and then let's say kick, this command will be executed. Alright, so inside of kick we just have embed equals discord.embed. The title is ping. The description is just a short description of the command, like for example I have here kicks a member from a guild and the color is just the author's color. And we'll just add the syntax. You could add whatever you want, you could add examples, you can add more fields, it depends on you. For this I'm just keeping it simple. We just have the embed field as syntax and the value is just kick and the member is a required argument and the reason is an optional argument. You could add like anything between angular brackets is required and anything between the square brackets is optional. So that's it. You can have as many commands that you want. You can copy paste this and have, like for ban you could have the same thing, change the syntax if you have different syntax, if you want to change this to bans a member from the guild. So just notice that the title was ping for some reason. There should be kick and again there should be ban. So that's it. Let's run the bot and see if it works. Alright, let's check the command. So when we type help, we get this as the message. Help, use help and the command name for the extended information on the command. And moderation, we have kick, ban and warn. Fun, we have 8 ball reverse. Let's check. We say help, kick, and as you can see we get the info for the kick command. Kick kicks a member from the guild. Syntax is just kick, member and reason. And let's check for ban as well. Help, ban. As you can see, we get this for the ban command. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Goodbye.